Alright guys, let's talk about Mavia coin, the token behind the popular blockchain game Heroes of Mavia. Right now, Mavia is trading around 12 cents, and it's taken a pretty heavy hit, a 47% dump in the last 24 hours. That's a big move down, especially considering that just a few days ago, Mavia was on fire, pumping triple digits and pulling a lot of attention from both the gaming and crypto communities. So, what exactly happened? Let's break it down in simple terms. The big drop in Mavia's price seems to be a mix of profit-taking, market corrections, and short-term panic. After its massive rally last week, when the token was up more than 180% in just a day, traders who caught that early rise started locking in profits. That's totally normal behavior in crypto, especially in gaming-related tokens that tend to move fast. Once some whales or large holders started selling, retail investors followed, and that pushed the price further down. It's the classic post-pump cooldown. But here's the thing, the dump doesn't necessarily mean Mavia is done. In fact, Heroes of Mavia is one of the few Web3 gaming projects that has an actual product and an active user base. The game combines strategy, base building, and NFTs, and it's been gaining strong traction across crypto gaming circles. What we are seeing now might just be a correction after a hype wave rather than a full-blown crash. What's really interesting is that Mavia is positioned in one of the few crypto sectors, GameFi, that has real growth potential beyond speculation. With mainstream gaming companies slowly exploring blockchain integration, projects like Mavia could benefit massively once the narrative shifts back to Web3 gaming in 2025. The foundation they're building now could pay off big later when the market sentiment turns positive again. So, while the 47% dump looks rough on the charts, it might just be part of a normal market cycle, a cooling-off period before the next wave of development and potential recovery. The fundamentals are still intact, the game is active, and the community isn't disappearing anytime soon. To sum it up, Mavia coin is going through a hard correction phase right now, but it's far from over. This could be one of those classic shakeouts before the next big run, especially if the team keeps delivering on its roadmap and the market stabilizes. Keep an eye on updates, watch how trading volume behaves around the 10 cents level, and don't be surprised if Mavia makes another strong comeback once the dust settles. Because in crypto, especially in gaming coins, today's dump can easily be tomorrow's setup for a major rebound.